Hi everyone, my name is Annie Fu. I'm the Director of International Enrollment at Saskatchewan Polytechnic, Canada. At the Saskatchewan Polytechnic, we have over 65 programs offered to international students. We offer a wide range of programs from engineering to IT to hospitality, tourism, business, and health sciences. So why study in Saskatchewan? Saskatchewan is one of the prairies in Canada. You may have heard about Toronto, Vancouver, where the metropolitans that people always go to. But Saskatchewan has a lot of opportunities waiting for you. We have a very wide range of industries that have a lot of job opportunities open to international student graduates. Our programs have a very high graduation employment rates up to 95%. So a lot of programs students study, when they finish, they can find a job very easily. Our programs are short. It ranges from 1 year to 2 years. We have a certificate, diploma, bachelor, and postgraduate certificates. So a lot of options for you. And Saskatchewan offers a lot of incentives to international student graduates. So we have a Saskatchewan Provincial Nominee Program. If you're looking at immigrant to Saskatchewan to Canada, that programs give you a good opportunity to fast track your permanent residency application. We also offer incentives for international students to have a income tax rebate. So when you graduate, you'll get a tax credit as part of your international tuition fee you paid during your program. So there are so many opportunities that I can talk more if you're interested in details later. I'd like to welcome you to come to Saskatchewan. I was an international student by myself many years ago, and you'll find the place is very welcoming. People are very nice. We have a beautiful landscape, clear skies, and we also have a very good incentives in the province. So if I encourage you to contact Pacific Premier to understand more about our programs and apply.